Introduce yourself.
My name's Peter,
Okay.
and I'm 6 years old,
Mm-hmm.
and I'm in Taekwondo school. And my class is 1.3.
Okay. You can open your booklet on page 55.
55.
Yes. You open for again.
This is 52. So, 55.
54 maybe.
Here's 55.
Yes, 55 and 55 to 57. Okay. Okay. What can you see here?
A picture.
Okay. What can you say about the picture here? What can you see?
I can see a cat is on top of the tree.
Okay. Can you see a giraffe?
Yes.
So, how many giraffe?
2.
There are?
There are 2 giraffes.
Okay. Can you point where is the crocodile? So what can you see about the crocodile?
I can see a crocodile is swimming in the water.
Alright, so how many people have you seen in the picture?
I can see 4 people.
Okay. And then what animals? What animal is this?
Dog.
Okay, how about this?
A frog.
The frog is on the...
Duck sculpture.
Okay, how about what is this?
A baby elephant sculpture.
Okay. Can you see a cat?
2 cats here.
Okay, and which one? The other one is on the...
Tree.
And the other one is on the...
House.
And on the top of the roof, right?
Yeah.
Right. So, can you see a bird?
Under the cow sculpture.
Okay, how many birds have you seen?
I can see 1.
One bird, okay.
Wait, there's another cat here.
Oh, another cat. So how many cats?
3 cats.
There are 3 cats. Right. Okay. Look at this picture here. So, what do you think the family are doing? They are?
They are in the beach.
Okay. What can you see on the top of the coconut tree?
I can see a monkey on top of the pom-pom tree.
Okay, how many monkey?
1 monkey.
So, can you determine what are these?
These are boats.
Okay, how many boats?
3 boats.
Okay. What is the boy doing? What is the boy here doing?
The boy is swimming in the sea.
Okay, can you see a crocodile?
On the land.
Okay. How about the bags? How many bags? Where are the bags? There are?
3 bags.
Okay, where are the bags? Placed in the?
Sand.
Placed in the sand. Okay. Have you seen a ball? Have you seen a ball?
Here and here.
Okay, there are?
2 balls.
Okay, very good. And then what are the 2 children wearing yellow
yellow shirt and a blue shirt. What are the eight? What is that?
That's ice cream.
That's ice cream. Okay. What are this?
These are birds.
Okay, very good. How about this? What is this?
This is a sun.
Okay. For a second, where are the cutouts? I'm looking for the cutouts.
Peter.
Can you see? Which is helicopter? In this picture, which is the helicopter? Okay, how about the camera? How about which is the camera? Okay. And do you know what is this?
Snake.
This is a snake.
Yes.
Okay. It's a, what is this? It's a,
A snake.
okay. This one, what is this?
A grape.
It's a grape. Okay. Okay, what is this?
Piano.
It's a piano. Good. Okay. This one.
This is slide.
Okay.
What?
Okay. So, can you determine what this kind of animal? What kind of animal is this? This is?
A snake.
Okay.
I know different types of snakes.
Okay, what are those? Can you name it to me? What else?
Brazilian snake.
Okay. So what are,
Well, this
how
is
many, yes, how many monkeys is sitting on the top of the coconut?
like the pepper.
On the palm tree? Okay.
There's one monkey.
Mm.
So this picture is a cobra.
This is a king cobra. This one is,
Camera.
this one is,
Great.
this one is,
A helicopter.
this one is,
Frog.
fries or chips, okay? Actually, this is French. We call this French fries. But here it's sometimes called also chips.
Yeah. Wi-Fi.
Yeah. Okay, this one.
Piano.
Okay. This one.
Computer.
Okay, very good. Very good. So I will ask you some questions, okay? Do you like grapes?
Yes, I do.
How about snake? Do you like snake?
No.
Why?
Because it was too scary.
Okay, it's so scary.
Because I don't want the snake touch me.
The snake will going to bite you
I
with his
and
venom. Okay?
go
like that.
into the bloodstream.
Yeah, and then how do you like fries?
Yes, I do.
Okay. How about computer? Do you like the computer?
Yeah, I like playing a computer
Okay.
and I watch a video.
Can you play a piano?
No, I can't.
Okay, how about can you drive a helicopter?
No, because I'm too small.
Yeah, okay. How about a camera? Do you know how to operate the camera? Do you know how to use it?
No, I will use my phone.
Right. Okay. So, okay. Again, I will ask you again. How old are you, Peter?
I'm 6
I'm 6.
and up to 7.
Okay, I'm 6 years old, up to 7 years old. Okay. Okay. What's your mother's name? Can you remember your mother's name?
New.
Okay. What's the name of your mom?
New.
Okay. How about your father's name?
Fat.
Okay. Is your mother got a brown eyes? Yes or no? Got a brown eyes?
Brown.
Yes. Okay. How many people live in your house or in your flat? How many people live in there?
4.
There are 4. Can you name it?
Me, father, mother, and a baby.
Okay. Baby. Is a baby a boy or a girl?
A boy.
Okay. Okay. Tell me about the monkey that is sitting here at the top of the pond. Can you tell me?
The monkey looking up the red ball.
Okay. What else?
And he has crocodile looking at the pom-pom tree.
Okay. Right. Okay, that's all. And then thank you very much and have a nice night. Congratulations.